hoist the country's surging industry. A manufacturing giant that sustains the country's rejuvenating ambition. A strength that drives a great nation's rise. Tzco is the first heavy machinery manufacturing enterprise of the PRC that was designed and constructed independently. As one of the founding industrial enterprises of the PRC, Tzco, since its inception, has dedicated itself to the service of the country through developing industry in pursuit of independent innovation and is reputed as road blazer of national economy. On the course of China becoming a manufacturing giant and ushering in the new era, Tzco strives to be a major player in intelligent manufacturing, guided by the precise, international, high-end and smart visions. It is embarking on a new journey of deepened and comprehensive reform. Headquarter plus multiple industrial parks dynamic makes it competitive in the market and forges new cutting-edge strength. The newly built Tzco Intelligent High-End Equipment Industry Park, highlighting heavy and high-end products with super size and limited quantity, is dedicated to make key machinery for the country. It gathers momentum for digital and flexible manufacturing for a new benchmark of Lighthouse Factory, the Hydraulic Excavator Industrial Park, and Engineering Crane Industrial Park stimulate the scale effect, extend the industrial chain. The Rail Transit Industrial Park, the world's top high-speed wheel production line. Leading the world in axle industry, the New Energy Industrial Park, focusing on wind power equipment manufacturing and fully playing the advantage of chain principle, is fostering a low-carbon industrial cluster. The high-end Hydraulic Industrial Park, focusing on the R&D and manufacturing of polymerized hydraulic products, with the advantages of electromechanical hydraulic integrated control technology, is to forge a global benchmark in this regard. Tianjin Binhai Industrial Park, with the port machinery business as the core, enjoys immediate overseas transportation of its heavy machinery products, which enable it to explore business beyond the ocean and play a part in blue economy. Coal Machinery Industrial Park leads fully mechanized 5G intelligent mining technology that makes the products of shearer, scraper conveyor, road header, and hydraulic support become smarter and more advanced. Relying on the R&D center of the headquarter, Tzco has created the innovation platform featuring one priority, one center, and multiple bases. Intelligent mining equipment technology State Key Laboratory is among the first batch in the province being approved. Its State Enterprise Technology Center was rated excellent, topping the list of heavy machinery industry in China, and gives innovation full play in its operation. Tzco rides the trend and attaches great importance to the production of cranes, excavators, rail transport, wind power, marine engineering, metallurgy, coal machinery, hydraulic machinery, gear drive and port machinery, that consisting of 10 new equipment categories. Tzco has become the only full-spectrum and full-process R&D and manufacturing base of wheel for the rail transit, axles, gearboxes and wheel sets. The only R&D and manufacturing base to produce 4 to 75 cubic series of mining excavators and 1.8 to 150 ton full series of hydraulic excavators. And Tzco is also the only producer in the world of the largest 1,300-ton hydropower plant overhead cranes and 550-ton casting crane, the signature ones of its full series of such products. Tzco strives to apply innovative, intelligent technology to ensure its market position. It has created the world's first 5G intelligent excavator, develops China's first one-touch coking technology, and the first one-button operation casting crane. Tzco, with more than 500 items ranked first either in China or in the world, and more than 1,800 patents and intellectual property rights, has helped China's equipment manufacturing industry be recognized in the world. Today's Tzco, aiming at becoming an international, top-notch, competitive manufacturer of modern, intelligent equipment, is advancing at even faster pace. In the future, Tzco will continue to stay committed to the original aspiration and work hard to serve the country with its superior equipment products. On the long journey ahead, let's pursue our dreams and stay together for a shared future.